Long press EUC's volume down and FM button for 5 seconds to clear the pairing record. Turn on. When the Q7 is on, press and hold phone button and E button for 5 seconds.
Remote control pairing.
Enter pairing. Press any button of EUC to enter the pairing state. The blue light quick flicker.
Remote control pairing successful.
Pairing is successful. Click the phone button to play or pause the music. Click EUC volume up to increase the volume. Click EUC volume down to lower the volume. Long press the volume up for 1 second to switch to the next song. Long press the volume down for 1 second to switch to the previous song. Click the phone button to answer a phone call. Click the phone button to hang up the phone call. Long press the phone button for 2 seconds to refuse a phone call. Double click the phone button to redial the last phone call. Long press the phone button for 1 second to activate it.